Y'all are being nosy and you want to see what I got for Christmas, so keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Brandon again. I know it has been a quiet year last year in terms of me here on this channel. Don't come for me, okay? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Brandon. I have been a makeup artist for over 10 years and I've now moved my life from New York to Los Angeles, basically switching careers 2 years ago, and now I'm in the midst of switching my careers almost again, and I'm trying to move from makeup into the acting world. So I have been really focusing on makeup for the past 2 years. During lockdown and quarantine, I had the time and space to get all of my creative juices together and create something, and what I was creating in that time being was all of my makeup looks. And in that time being, I was so fortunate to make some really great friendships, some connections, some work connections as well. So creating content has become not only something that I do for fun, but I've been so fortunate that creating content has also been a way that I've been paying my damn bills. So we're very, very happy, very grateful. At one point last year, Morphe had contacted me about becoming a part of their Glam fam, which is you get like the PR on a regular basis so that you can keep having products to create and keep those creative juices flowing. Now, I'm so excited to show you what they sent me for the holidays. Now, they usually just send Morphe products and their Morphe collections that will come out. The one I just received, which was the first one, was the Constellation Dreams palette from Pony's Makeup, if you know, on Instagram. And during the holiday time, they actually sent out a really lovely care package of products that are in the Morphe family, but not Morphe products. So Morphe, if you didn't know, does have their own website, and they also have their own brick and mortar stores, and in those stores, they do have certain other products that they do sell. Now, I know that Danessa Myricks is a product that they sell through Morphe, and they have a partnership, so there's gonna be a few different things in here that we're gonna go through today. So if you'd like to see that, then definitely stay tuned for the video. I really was trying to be lazy today, and I only straightened the part of my hair that's out, and the rest of my hair is still curly and basically wet, but I needed to have a hair for filming the first part of this video. And once I'm sure we get some makeup on, I'll feel inspired, I'll want to grab the hot brush or something, or blow it out more. I don't know, we'll figure it out when we get there. Let's get into the first product. This is the Patchology Mood Patch Chill Mode, and this is a soothing cannabis oil infused eye gel with cannabis sativa seed oil, reishi extract, and rhodiola extract. Yeah, I'm a real skincare queen. I know what these words are and how to pronounce them. So it looks almost like if it's like a coffee thing. I don't even know. So I'm gonna put this under my eye. I have to use, there we go. Oh, that feels nice. I try to always use an eye cream at night. I use the Atwa Skincare Eye Cream. The bottle might be a little pricey, but I've had the one bottle for so long, and you only need a small amount, so certain things like that I will splurge on.
You must be getting plenty of money from somewhere. Where's you getting all this money from, Queen of the Nile?
Feeling moist, feeling hydrated. You get it? I'm the only one here. Okay. So this is the next product. This is also like, look at this full-size tube. This is the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil. Now Luna looks like she'd be like a peachy apricot, like champagne type highlighter. No. So Luna is, and I'll swatch it on my hand to show you. Look at that. Right there where there's no light on it, looks completely bare, like not like bare skin. And then you turn it and then you see all that like silver. So that on my face is not gonna work. However, this like over on the eyelids and blend it out, I think could be really nice with a little bit of like a pencil. And with the illuminating veil, I'm just gonna go over my eyelids. Oh, I like it. Am I gonna use this all the time? Maybe not. But I think it can be used for specific purposes. So if you are someone that's looking for this light, like silver kind of topper shade that will dry down and not move, go for the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil in the shade Luna. So the next product that we have is from Nabla Cosmetics. This is a brand that I've never got to try out before. This is their Cupid's Arrow Full Color Stylo. It's a little unclear what that is, but I'm assuming that this is just like a all coloring pencil. I use it on my hand and it looks like it does dry down pretty quickly. So I'm going to not talk through this part, but we're just gonna create some shapes. So where I have this highlight here, I want to define with like a little line, and then I'll also use this and kind of smoke out a liner with this. So I'm really shocked by the lines that I was able to create with this pencil. It doesn't, oh, this I believe is the sharpener, right? Like that back end. I never knew for years when you get certain pencils like that, that this like weird little thing. Is it a sharpener? I think it is.
Really, bitch? How?
I'm pretty sure it is. But I've used it to make some lines, and so far it's still maintaining a little bit of a point. I can assume it's gonna get like worn down at some point, but I was able to do these little waves, created a little bit of a wing liner, and I basically just pulled it out here on the ends with my finger to make that line very thin and very tiny. The next product we're gonna go into is our Twin Flames. Multi-chrome pigment for eyes and face. This is in the shade Sweetheart. Now, you can't tell from here, but if you can tell if I turn it, this is a duochrome that has blue, purple, gold. It's kind of like that oil slick kind of look. I'm gonna apply this just directly with the applicator, and I have two thin brushes as well, two little pencil brushes, and these are gonna help me to blend them out. Now these do dry down, so I don't know how quickly they will, so let's work quietly and quickly. Okay, let's try to replicate this on the other side. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It's got like a clear back so you can like see through this palette. Like the actual packaging here, 10 stars. Around here is like a really metallic gold that has so much shine to it. And what does it say here? Ruby Lights Glitter Palette. At first when I saw online that they had a bluish tone one, I really wanted that, but I'm happy that they gave me this one because this shade here, which is Capricorn, is a pressed glitter, and this has gold to green, which I think will play very well with the duochrome. Danessa Myricks liquid that we used. There we go. So now to finish off the eyes, we're gonna top off our lashes with a little bit of Drama Bomb. This is from Uoma Beauty. This is their Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. Let's see about that. The wand looks kind of, you know, like kind of low in the center, fat at the ends. I feel like that's a traditional shape. It's kind of giving me like the Pat McGrath Dark Star mascara wand shape, which doesn't give me quite the drama I'm looking for. It gives me more of like that natural full lash, like that fluffy lash. But this, if you were going out, you know, being real like cis, sure. But if you wanted to feel cis, it's not this one. Alright, so I'm going to now go apply my lashes and my base and be right back. And just like that, we're back. Yes, I finished the rest of my face. I know you might not recognize me, but you can tell by the eye makeup, it's still me. We're gonna go into the Jaclyn Cosmetics Highlighter Illuminator. Now this is in the shade Turned On, and when I say this packaging feels and looks expensive. So cheers to Jaclyn. Lifts up and it has like this like weighted kind of magnetic opening. Look at that. So I'm gonna use just a light fluffy brush, and I like using smaller brushes instead of larger ones to apply blush because, as you can see, this brush will get me in the exact areas I want. Whereas if I use a much larger brush like this, I'm not gonna have as much control. So, smaller is better. Sometimes. Okay, let's see ya. Okay. It's like a soft, bronzy... Am I liking this? Maybe I need more. At first I was not sure. It blends in, and I think on medium skin tones it looks almost too subtle, but when I'd say it really meshes well together as like combining the contour with the highlight shades and also kind of being an interim shade rather than just putting on like a bright silver or champagne. It really helps melody all of the shades together. The Uoma Beauty Maya lipstick that says a badass does not talk about being a badass on it. Okay, badass. So this is the shade. It's beautiful. It's like a cool toned, mauve-y, dusty nude. And if I put this all over my lip, it's not gonna be that cute. So to start off the lip, I think I always like to start with a dark liner. Now we don't have a brown, but we do have this black crayon. So I'm gonna outline my lips with this. And this is the final look. Thank you again to Morphe for allowing me to have the privilege of trying out these products without buying them myself, but still gonna try more things that are not just Morphe products because there are some limitations, you know? If you'd like to try any of the products that I've used today in this video, or if you've loved anything, leave a like or a comment in the box down below. Let me know if there's anything that you prefer that I need to know about, that I should know about, if you want to put me on, you know what I'm saying? If you want to use my code for Morphe, you can use my code GLAMFAM2032, and that will save you $5 off any $10 or more order. So feel free to use it if you like, no pressure there. But I mean, if you want to get this look with these products, get a discount, okay? Thank you all for watching. I can't wait to see you all next time. And believe me, the next time will be sooner, okay? Happy 2022, and I can't wait to see what else we get into this year. Bye, everybody.